In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify step by step. If you've bought your domain from Hostinger and you're building your store on Shopify, this is the exact setup you need to make sure your domain points correctly and your store goes live without errors. I'll walk you through everything from getting the DNS records inside Shopify to updating them inside Hostinger. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Shopify tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is grab the correct DNS settings from Shopify. So go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Then click on Domains. From here, choose Connect Existing Domain. Shopify will now show you the DNS records that you need to configure inside Hostinger. There are two important records you'll need to set. The first one is the A record. This A record needs to point to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Make sure you copy that exactly as it appears, because even a small mistake in the numbers will prevent your domain from connecting properly. The second record is the CNAME record. This is usually for the www version of your domain. In most cases, Shopify will tell you that the CNAME record for www should point to shops.myshopify.com. Again, make sure this is typed exactly as shown. Once you've confirmed these two records, keep this page open because we'll now switch over to Hostinger. Next, log into your Hostinger account. After logging in, go to your hPanel dashboard. From there, click on Domains, and then select DNS Zone for the domain that you want to connect to Shopify. This is where we'll update the DNS settings. First, we're going to set the A record. Look for the A record section in your DNS zone. If there is already an A record pointing somewhere else, you may need to edit it. Set the name or host field to the @ symbol. This represents your root domain, meaning your main domain without www. Then in the points to or IP address field, enter 23.227.38.65. For TTL, you can leave it as the default value, which is usually 1 hour, then save the changes. Now let's set up the CNAME record. Find the CNAME section in your DNS settings. In the name or host field, enter www. In the points to field, type shops.myshopify.com, exactly as provided by Shopify. Leave the TTL as default again, and then save your changes. At this point, your DNS records are correctly configured. However, keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours for the changes to fully propagate worldwide. In many cases, it starts within an hour, but just be patient if it doesn't connect immediately. Now go back to your Shopify dashboard and click Verify Connection or Refresh inside the Domain section. Shopify will check the DNS records you just updated. Once everything is set correctly and the propagation has completed, your domain status will change to Connected. After it's connected, you can set this domain as your primary domain if you'd like. This ensures customers always see your custom domain instead of the default myshopify.com URL. Finally, open a new browser tab and type in your domain name to cust it. If everything was configured correctly, your Shopify store should load perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Hostinger domain to Shopify. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step e-commerce and Shopify guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.